Guys, it's me, Dandigo, and today outside it's so disgusting. Let me show you. You guys, the reason why I'm walking weird is because yesterday I literally got a splint. So that hurted me really hard. So yeah. So I have to walk like this. See, there's flies all around it. If you guys can see, here it is. So it's all animal poop. Like and subscribe and peace.